Welcome, guys. Welcome. So most of you guys know that we have Powell speaking today at right now. Actually, he's speaking in 5 seconds. So you guys are about to see this candle go crazy here. Let me go ahead and screen share actually. Let me see and Q. Okay, so we have Powell speaking, right? It's not gonna be the craziest speech ever. He's just gonna be testifying apparently or something like that, right? So what are we expecting? So we're pretty much expecting a big move in the market, some sort of big move in the market. Of course, it won't be the prettiest. You guys know we usually don't trade Powell, but I kind of just want to see what we get from this and try to give you guys a setup. You guys know yesterday the market was awful. I was not able to give you guys any sort of setup, but hopefully today is completely different. Hopefully today's market doesn't chop out like yesterday's. But here, in the meantime, while the market, since Powell already started speaking or is about to start speaking, I kind of want to give you guys the levels that I have, how we're gonna play around them, and pretty much how we're gonna pretty much trade them, right? So for today, pretty much the only thing I'm here. In the meantime, actually, let me go ahead and do this. Let me go ahead and make sure that it's starting. 1 second. Okay, there you go. So in the meantime, right? Pretty much the levels that we're looking out for is, of course, I'm not gonna be going into longs today. Longs is gonna be completely out of the picture, at least for now, right? You guys know I do not long all-time high. It is part of my rules. Main reason being is we don't have any liquidity to the upside. You guys know I use DOL in my model to actually get these price targets. Now, if we don't have any price targets to the upside, of course, I won't be longing. It just makes no sense, right? So pretty much what I'm looking for is during the overnight session, yesterday we ended up creating this all-time high, right? So using this all-time high, of course, what I'm gonna be looking for is for the market to break above this, get some sort of weakness around this all-time high level, and shoot right back down. Once we do this, then it should be pretty much a go from there to get the market structure to the downside. Hold on, let me see something. Yes, sir. All right, there you go. Let me open up the chat here. Isn't Paulo speaking? Yeah, he is. Hey, what's up, Triple? What's up, Buddha? What's up? But yeah, so far you guys know. I'm not gonna lie. I was kind of expecting this right off open. The chop, it was pretty normal. But now that it is 10 in the morning, I am gonna stay a little bit patient just in case. Wait, actually, here, let me go ahead. I completely forgot to do this. Hold up, because I'm setting up some stuff here. So, mm, 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 mm. Okay, let me go ahead and send this over. Hold up. Pin this message. Okay. So yeah, here, let me go ahead and copy this. Send it over here. There it is. I'm gonna go ahead and send it here as well. Hold on. Okay. So yeah, pretty much what we're looking for today is just gonna be some sort of simple movement, a really clear movement. You guys know right off open, it's not looking the best. Definitely not looking clean at all for now, at least, because Powell, I don't think Powell has gotten up to the stage yet to say anything. So we're gonna give the market some time. We're gonna watch it together. Here, let me go and open up the chat here. So that today's definitely gonna be more of a patience type of we'll pay type of day. Hey, what's up, Major? What's going on? But yeah, no. So the thing that I never got to explain is, guys, these are the levels I'm pretty much watching for at least this morning, right? You guys know with Powell, these levels might seem a little bit far, but with Powell speaking, they're not really too far at all. All he has to say is one bullish or bearish thing, and the price will go straight into these levels, like really quick, right? So today you guys have to be quick. It's not a day where you guys can be slow, miss the alert or anything, right? If we're gonna catch something, it has to be in and out. But in this case, right? In this case right here, pretty much what we're looking for is, okay, so we have drawn liquidity to the downside. You guys know that right off open, or not right off open, during the overnight session, we actually ended up finding a double bottom, right? You guys know the more times a level bounces off a certain level, the stronger it is, right? And we actually ended up sweeping liquidity just barely from this level. Here, let me turn on this indicator. Well, we just barely ended up sweeping this level, but I would still say it's pretty valid, right? We just barely swept right below it, so I still do think there's some sort of liquidity there, right? But in this case, pretty much what we're looking for is, if the market structure, which I'm really hoping turns out really bearish, if we can find something to trade that is bearish, we're going to be targeting easily 704, as this is where the nearby liquidity is. There's really no other levels of liquidity nearby other than this 704 level. If we go any lower and the market trend is extremely bearish, we're going to be looking at 686 next, which is going to be this low that the market created before the huge push up, right? You guys know in an uptrend, we're going to be creating higher highs and higher lows, right? So in this case, what the market is simply doing is creating higher highs and higher lows, and creating liquidity to the downside, right? So we have liquidity at 704, 686, and 672, right? Those are the two levels that we're watching, right? So pretty much all we have to do now is wait for some sort of setup to be created. I know Powell was speaking. I'm not going to be trading just because the market is going down, because that is plain out gambling. And you guys know I'm not like that. So what I'm gonna do is, of course, I'm gonna be giving the market a few minutes to do its thing. You guys know, you guys can see right here, it's trying to sell off, which is what we're expecting, right? We don't think the market's gonna shoot any higher unless he says something, right? But what we do want to see is some sort of sell off to the downside. We create some sort of setup. We get the retracement and we go from there. Did you say gambling, bro? Come on now. But yeah, guys. And by the way, for everyone in here, welcome and good morning, guys. Good morning. It's been a little bit. I know I didn't go live yesterday, which I really wish I did, but you guys saw the market, so you know. But yeah, here it kind of seems like he. Oh, well, there it is. Right. So here's a sell-off that we're kind of expecting here. If we can somewhat hold this sell-off, we can easily create some sort of fair value gap here, and then we can get the setup here. But that is the game plan for now. Now that's the question: do we hold it, or does the market dump, pump, dump, and pump? Right? Because keep in mind, guys, this is power that we're talking about, right? So he says one bearish thing 1 second, and then one bullish thing the next second. So yeah, we just definitely need to be a lot more patient, a lot more careful. I am gonna be sizing light today. I know a lot of you guys always ask me, are you sizing light? Are you sizing full? Today I am gonna be sizing light just because, right? Powell is speaking. The market can do whatever it wants, no matter how bearish it looks. He says one word and the market completely flips, right? So definitely any trade that we take is gonna be considered very, very risky, at least in this time period, throughout the morning. So be very careful when you guys are trading this, right? Be very, very careful. But yeah, here, let me go ahead and see. Let me see. So right now, nothing too crazy is going on. It's not even like we're creating a fair value gap. The market is just selling off, you know, some random candle, and then he's not loading for me. I don't think Powell is streaming today. I'm not super sure. He's not even talking. Yeah, no. I think it's gonna be a. Is he? He's not. Wait, let me. Yeah, no. It was for 10 a.m. right? He's not speaking. Can you link? Can you link the stream if it is being streamed? Because if he's not speaking, bro, this thing is gonna chop out all day. Okay, let me see. Let me go ahead and see this YouTube. Oh hell no. He's supposed to be. He's probably yapping a lot. It's 3 different people, bro. Don't tell me that, bro. Because then the market is just gonna end up chopping like crazy. Bro, if this market chops out today, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Yesterday was hard enough to not trade, but you know we ended up pushing through it. But if today chops out, which it kind of looks like right off open, I was hoping for Powell to do something, but he's not even talking. Are you sure that this is the right? Oh yeah, it is the right stream. That's weird. Yeah, I'm gonna go gamble, bro. Um, but yeah, here let me. I mean we have no other choice than to wait. Of course, I'm not gonna be trading this, and you guys shouldn't be trading this either. Yeah, the Federal Reserve. There is also FOMC at 1:30. That FOMC doesn't really matter. If it's not a Powell FOMC, it won't do anything in the market. Trust me. I Of course he's gonna come up eventually. Maybe she's talking a bit more. You know, it's a bit extended. Here, let me read the other chat. How does Powell affect the market? Mainly because he pretty much talks about the economy. You know, what is it? Hike rates, interest rates, something like that. I don't know too much about it. All I know is that he is the one that moves the market. So that's pretty much what we're watching. Let me see. But yeah, Buddha. Just because there's FOMC at 1:30, as long as it's not Powell, you'll be fine. The market won't do anything off of it. Because Powell is the one that holds all the power. Maybe inverse 1 hour bullish fair value gap. Oh yeah, that's the one that we talked about yesterday in the mentorship. Yeah, the same exact fair value gap. I completely forgot to mark it out. We do have some sort of fair value gap here that I do believe that we are holding up. You know, in some way. I mean, of course, look at all these wicks around it. But we don't have any sort of trend in the market, especially in this opening range. You guys see that the market is red. It's like Christmas lights, right? It's red, green, green, red, green. The power glaze, bro. Come on now. But yeah, no, I mean, it doesn't seem like Powell is really saying anything right now, or even talking. So I believe the market is probably just gonna chop out till then. You guys know this week might be one of those weeks. It's gonna be definitely gonna be one of those weeks. In the meantime, let me see what else we have here. Hold on. So we have, okay, of course we have 10 a.m. Powell, Fed Chair Powell. Yeah, he's supposed to be talking right now. I don't know why he's not. Same thing for tomorrow. Thursday we have CPI. Iceberg. Friday we have PPI, which shouldn't be a big deal. Friday should be the only normal date this week. Here, let me take off my glasses because this thing is not it. Um, then next week we have Powell again on Monday, and then next week just looking like a no news week. Okay. Yeah, no, this month is looking really. Yeah, this month is looking horrible. I'm not gonna lie. This month has been. I'm not gonna say it's been a pain because we've definitely been killing it this month, but it's definitely been a lot more. You guys need patience this month, especially with all the news coming in and all that stuff. Trust me, guys. This month is a pain, right? And I'm pretty much the one responsible. I'm not gonna say the one responsible, but you guys know, I'm the one that pretty much alerts and all that stuff. So, what's it called? It's definitely really hard for me to, because as much as I want to give you guys alerts and do these live trades and do all of this stuff, if the market is not providing anything, I can't really give you guys anything. You know what I mean? Like in yesterday's case, yesterday's market was completely off. I mean, look at this. This was all yesterday, right? Yeah, this was all of yesterday's market. What ended up happening? Absolutely nothing. We had no levels. We had no setup. We had one drawn liquidity sweep, which was right here, but honestly, this doesn't give us much to really work with. So yesterday, of course, was a completely cash day. Right now, keep this in mind, guys. Look how yesterday's market ended up opening. Right, this was the opening candle. Right, look at this chop right here. Now compare yesterday's opening to today's opening. What is this? Right, usually right off open, which is the most volatile time in the entire market, right? Because all the orders are flowing in, the overnight orders and all that stuff. Usually the market ends up going super crazy, right? But let me see. Yeah, no, it ends up going super crazy. But I mean, just look at this, right? I mean, okay, we're getting some sort of a buying thing, but right off open, guys, it looks extremely choppy, right? So we can't really work around this. But yeah, let me see. Let me read the chat here. Uh, do you look for fair value gaps on the 15 or 30-minute time frame? I look for fair value gaps on the 5 and 15-minute time frame. Then I use them on the 1 hour and 4 hour time frame to find the bias in the market, and that's pretty much it. So the 5 and 15 to find my entries and exits, and 1 hour to 4 hour to find my bias in the market. Am I in a trade right now? No, not at all, not at all. But here, let me go ahead. But yeah, no, I just want to see what the market does based off this level right here. Um, for now, I mean, we're gonna have to be really patient, and I'm gonna keep saying this all day. I know you guys don't like to hear that, or maybe you do, right? But yeah, no, there's absolutely zero trend in the market. It's really literally Christmas lights. Would you take that bullish for value gap if it forms? No. Main reason being, you guys know I do not long all-time high at all. Let me see if he's speaking. Nope. I do not long all-time high at all. I'm perfectly fine staying cash today. If we have to, we have to. You know what I mean? Like I'm not gonna force out a setup. I'm not saying that we're not gonna take a setup. But if we have to, then that's gonna be the case. But would I take this bullish rally gap? No. Reason being is I do not long all-time high. There is no liquidity above. There's no reason for the market to go any higher. At least in my reasoning, in my strategy, I don't see the market having a reason to go any higher when we have drawn liquidity to sweep to the downside. So today, I'm of course gonna be more like 90% bearish than bullish, right? But it's pretty much we just have to wait to see what the market gives us. Of course, if we look extremely bullish and it's screaming to take longs, then I'm gonna take some sort of lotto play. Then yeah, but I'm definitely looking to take more shorts than longs today for sure. And that was the same case with yesterday's market. Um, but yeah, Uzi, yeah, no, I'm completely fine. What's it called? Staying cash. I think you're on the wrong video. I'm seeing all the That's what I was thinking. I'm pretty sure he's speaking. This has to be the wrong video. Hold on. So it'll be Powell speaking live. I'm pretty sure he's speaking. There's no way it's not. Hold up. I, I'm not gonna lie. Barcode. I think you had the wrong stream because there's literally no way. Hold on, bro. What are these ads, bro? Unskippable ads. Because the market is pumping. The market has some sort of volume. Of course, there's no trend in the market, but there is volume pumping in. No cap, I did. I found it, bro. You messed us up, bro. For the last 15 minutes, you kind of messed us up. But nah, you're good. You're good. It's all jokes. It's all jokes. But honestly, regardless if we waited or not, the market has done absolutely nothing, which it's kind of normal. But let's see if the market does trend from here. Hopefully it does. Uh, I'm not gonna put the volume. Honestly, I don't really understand what he says. Okay, yeah, there it is. There it is. Thank you, Mix or Mate. My bad. But in this case, it's just extremely choppy. There, honestly, I'm not gonna say that there is some sort of fair value gap here. Maybe okay, yeah, no, this would be a valid fair value gap, but the only reason I'm not gonna mark this out is you guys know the market doesn't have a trend. Fair value gaps do not work if you do not have a trend in the market, right? So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. Because the way the fair value gap would look like would be, of course, somewhat like this, right? But of course, if the market is pretty much barcoding or just chopping out completely, I mean, it should have been there. Is a Federal Reserve? Yeah, exactly, exactly. I'm not sure why it wasn't there. So I don't blame you. Don't get me wrong. I don't blame you. But in this case, we do have some sort of fair value gap here. The only reason it's not gonna work, at least for now, is the market has zero trend at all. There's nothing going on. It's just barcoding. So 9 out of 10 times, if not 10 out of 10 times, the market will pretty much just chop out through this fair value gap, stopping you guys out if you guys take this. So, I'm gonna tell you guys one more time to just be patient. And yeah. Let me see what ES. I highly doubt ES is doing anything. Yeah, I mean this thing looks even worse. We ended up sweeping all-time highs though. Does it end at 11? Honestly, I don't know when Powell stops speaking. I think it's like usually in like an hour or two. So, like I said, today's market would I'm not gonna say will be choppy, but it's definitely gonna be there, right? The chop is definitely gonna be there for throughout the day. Same with yesterday, same with tomorrow. So today, tomorrow, yesterday, today, and tomorrow are gonna be extremely choppy. Well, yesterday was already extremely choppy. But like I said, depending on it, really all depends on what Powell says. Of course, what he's saying right now is not extremely important, so the market is not gonna have like a 100-point move in one candle, but it could definitely move, right? It could give us the move that we want to see for a quick scalp. Um, but in this case, this thing is extremely choppy. Now, I'm gonna say this one more time because I know you guys don't like to hear me repeat myself, but it's how you guys, kind of listen, or at least some of you, right? If the market does not give us any setup today, if the market remains trading like this, where it's red, green, and it's unpredictable, we will not be trading this, right? I'm not saying we're not gonna trade this right now, but if it ends up doing this all day to like 12 or 1 p.m. Eastern time, then guys, that is your cue to get off the market. Right? Because if the market has done nothing throughout the entire day, what makes you think that we're gonna do something at the end of the day? Right? That's what ends up happening most times. I'm good with that. Yeah, exactly. I mean, everyone should be. Whether you guys like it or not, it's better safe than sorry. I don't want you guys to be forcing out any trades in any sort of market, or any bad market. My bad. When the setup is not there, when you guys are lacking confirmation, because you guys know if we're gonna trade here, you guys know as my community, if we're gonna be trading together, we're gonna be trading correctly, right? How do we trade correctly? Well, we make sure all of our rules align, we make sure all of our setups look perfect, we have price targets, we have the game plan, we have everything, right? But if we're missing one or two of those things, then of course that does not make the setup perfect, right? The reason why we stayed so consistent and we've gone in practically a 2 month winning streak with barely any losses, like what, like two losses or so in 2 months, right? The way we do this is by trading when the market gives us opportunity, right? What do you think? What do you think about doing some option lessons or some option trading on a super choppy days, bro? Okay. With futures, trading choppy markets is hard enough. Now trading options in a choppy market, it will, like, 99.9% of the time it will kill your account. And this goes for my people on YouTube and for the people on the stream, right? If you guys are trading the options market in a choppy market, it will 99.9% of the time it will kill your account. Why? Because options is more rigged against you than futures is because of a thing called theta, right? If the market does not do what you pretty much bought it to do, right, like calls or puts, in a set amount of time, these contracts will start to lose value, and it will lose value very quick. I'm talking like if the market, okay, let's say you guys were to buy calls right here, right, in this opening candle, right, and the market has done nothing. Let's say you bought calls at 100, like up here, right? Let's say you bought it where the price is right now. So you bought it at 20,752, right? He started to talk. Let me see. Finally, bro, this old guy, bro. But no, real stuff. If you guys were to buy some call options right here when the market opened, I promise you guys these contracts, if you bought it right here where my mouse is at $100 per contract, right now they'll be at like $70, even though the price is at the same exact price, right? Why? Because theta is pretty much built to make options more against you than, so it's, in my opinion, options is not stable, especially in a choppy market. If you guys are able to identify a choppy market, but you think the market will go up, take it on futures, right? Do not take any sort of trade in a choppy market with options, because I promise you guys, 99.9% of the time, it will kill your account. I've been there. You guys have been there. You guys know how it is. So I don't need to say much more. You know what I mean? It will just kill your account. So yeah, definitely be careful with options. That's why I try to stay far away from options. I do it here and there, honestly, but does the choppy market affect big stocks? Yeah, of course, of course. Choppy market is not like something that just happens with small stocks. Pretty much what a choppy market is when the market doesn't have any sort of trend, which is completely normal, right? Not every day will be a good day. The market won't give you an opportunity to trade every single day, right? Which is why so many people say that patience is needed. Patience and discipline is needed in this market, right? So gold will be choppy, Nvidia, Tesla, Microsoft, Apple, all these stuff will be choppy because not every single day the market will be moving, right? It's completely normal. Right now, there's going to be days where one looks stronger than the other, right? In this case, some days NQ looks stronger than ES, some days ES looks stronger than NQ. It's normal, right? It's just how the market moves, right? And remember what I told you guys about the fair value gap? Look what ended up happening right here, right? So pretty much what we're waiting for here is a simple trend. Hopefully, since he did start speaking, here, hold on, let me see. Since he did start speaking, we should see some sort of movement here, right? So I'm really glad we're able to see that. Now, the thing is, do we create some sort of trend off of this? Can we trade this? You know what I mean? So I'm gonna give the market, maybe like 5 more minutes to see what we do based off this candle and the next candle. And if it keeps chopping up, then that's our cue to not trade this yet, right? I'm gonna give the market till like 11:30. If we don't see anything by 11:30, that's our cue to just either trade the PM session or just come back tomorrow. And honestly, tomorrow might be the same exact day, as we pretty much have the same exact news for tomorrow, right? We have the same exact thing. So, like I said, this month is definitely a very hard month. More on my end, because of course you guys want me to alert for you guys, and of course, give you guys alerts and live trades. So if I'm not alerting, of course you guys won't be as happy, right? But I'm not gonna give you guys a shitty alert to make you guys not happy. You know what I mean? Like, I'm just not gonna force a trade for you guys if the market is not providing anything. So yeah, it's definitely gonna be a very hard month for me and for you guys as well. With the chop and all that stuff. So definitely requires a lot of patience today, and I mean a lot. But let me see. And if anything, you guys know, if I don't give you guys any sort of trade at all, you guys will always know I will always back it up with a very informative class and all that stuff. Hey, what's up, X? What's going on? What's going on? Talks about let me see. Right now I'm reading the YouTube chat. Talks about only taking one trade in a week. honestly, bro, if that's what you have to do, that's what you have to do. There's been times where I've taken one trade a week. There's been times where I haven't even traded in an entire week. Main reason being is because the market just does not provide anything, right? And that's completely normal. Do not fall into, what is it? Do not fall into victim. I think that's what the saying is. Um, to having to trade every single day, having to, jeez, damn, look at this dump. Okay, this could be the start of something. You know what I mean? But yeah, no, taking one trade in one day is not, I mean, in a week, it's not bad at all. If that's what you have to do, that's what you have to do. You know what I mean? Okay, guys, real stuff. If the market trend becomes bearish, I'm gonna delete this fair value gap. Honestly, it's not that important. But if the market creates a bearish trend here, guys, we're gonna have the perfect setup to kind of trade off of, right? We created the perfect fair value gap right here, right? The perfect fair value gap. The trend is looking pretty bearish. It's not confirmed to be bearish, but it's definitely there, right? Bro, I should have entered shorts on the momentum. Bro, you're saying that hindsight. You're saying that because it dumped, right? I promise you, if you knew that the market was gonna dump, you were gonna enter shorts. Yeah, should have, would have, could have. Don't be like, oh, I should have done this. No, no, no. Trade correctly. You know what I mean? The market didn't give any setups. It was, he said something bearish and the market dumped. You could not have predicted that, right? So come on, trade correctly, right? Just cause it dumped out of nowhere does not mean that you have to catch the move. Your job in the market is not to catch every single move. Your job is to catch one good move that you read out, and then you go from there, right? So I don't want to hear you. Yeah, I don't want to hear you saying, oh, I should have shorted that. No, no. If there's no setup, because I could have been like, oh, I should have shorted that, whatever, because we're dumping now. No, if I don't see anything, I will not give it to you guys. So trade correctly. Now, X, let me see. I'm good, bro. It teaches discipline. I don't need to take a trade, only the winning ones. Exactly. I'm a black belt pal with the forced trades, bro. But yeah, no, real stuff, guys. Okay, so we're finally breaking out of this range, which, could lead into some really good setups here. And some sort of trend as well. So what we could do from here is, of course, we created this bearish fair value gap right here. Right, with this bearish fair value gap being created, of course, we can play around this. Now, if the market trend is bearish, what we can expect from this is some sort of market dump like this, right? So we can expect something to work out like some, in this bearish fair value gap, and we go right back down into only if we don't take these levels out. Which, of course, if the market is selling off, we're running that risk, with the setup of course, this getting taken out. So it's very, very likely, But if the market does end up reversing here and we get some sort of rejection off this bearish fair value gap, we could take shorts here, right? This could be a really, really nice shorting setup, and this goes for the people in my YouTube and for the people in the Discord, right? I'd rather be unhappy about no alerts than unhappy about losing money. Exactly, Zach. You're 100% right. And this goes for everyone in the Discord, right? Would you guys rather not lose money but not take any trades, or lose money with losing trades because we force something out in the market? You know what I mean? It just makes the most sense. But okay, real stuff, guys. In this case right here, pretty much what I'm looking for is, of course, I'm going to give this candle about 2 minutes to close to see what it does, to see what the trend is. Keep in mind, we did end up taking liquidity at 704, so there could be this slight chance that the market reverses from here and goes higher, but I'm not going to say it's too likely. The market trend is not too bearish yet to go lower, but it doesn't look too bullish, right? So we got to see what we do from here. Let me see. Because, okay, yeah, no, we 100% have this bearish value gap. Unless the market pumps up like 50 points in the next minute or so, we're going to have this fair value gap to pretty much play with. The thing is, we don't know what the market trend is yet. Sure, it looks like we're selling off like crazy, so of course I'm going to be more bearish than bullish, but we just need to see how the market creates based off this. That's about trading 2 hours, 2-hour days on New York sessions. Nothing wrong with that. Some days I trade for 5 minutes, some days I trade for an hour, some days I trade the entire day, right? It depends how fast you really get the setups, in the market. It all depends on that, right? But yeah, pretty much what the game plan would look like, guys, is, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this level as it's not really important anymore. I'm not trying to have a million lines on my chart, right? So here, I'm gonna go ahead and delete this. Okay, so what are we looking for here in the market? Well, simply what we're looking for is gonna be, at least for now, the current game plan, since we created this bearish value gap right here, what we're gonna be looking for is, let me slow down here. To start off, the market ended up sweeping all-time highs. We had all-time highs right here. Of course, the market ended up selling off. We tested all-time highs a few times, took out all that drawn liquidity, and now we're dumping. Right, we're getting a lot of selling volume to come in, and we have liquidity to take out to the downside. Right, which is going to be at 686 and 672. Right, so we definitely have room to go lower. Now we have a lot of selling coming in, and we have this bearish fair value gap. So what are we looking for here in the setup? Well, simply what we're looking for is going to be a simple draw on or not draw on liquidity. We're going to be looking for a simple retracement into this bearish fair value gap, waiting for a very strong selling signal. That'll be our signal to enter our shorts, and then we write it down into drawn liquidity below. Right, that is as simple as it can get. Right, that is the setup that we're looking for. Now, do we get the setup? That is the question. I can't really tell you guys, as I can't really predict the future, right? So pretty much what we're going to be looking for is a simple retracement into this fair value gap. If we don't get it, it's completely fine. We can for sure make some setups as we go lower. But for now, pretty much what we're looking for is going to be a fair value gap retracement. That is the game plan currently, guys. This goes for the people on my YouTube, and this goes to the people in the premium. But yeah, no, we are holding up this low right here. Hold on, let me go ahead and see here. But yeah, if we can get some sort of retracement, which is going to be about a 40-point retracement or so, into this fair value gap, we can reject. Honestly, we can reject off anywhere in this range. As long as we get that rejection, I will go ahead and enter my shorts. So that is the game plan right now. But yeah, look at that sell off right now. We're more than likely going to take out this level of liquidity. It's going to be a big retracement. Yeah, but it is okay. Keep in mind, Powell is speaking. With whatever he says, the market will pump or dump, just like how we did right now. So this retracement might look really far, or it might look like we'll never get it. But it is very possible that we get it, depending on what buyers do. Right? If we don't get this retracement, it's completely fine. We'll just wait for another setup to be created as we go lower. But here is the next level of liquidity taken out. Right? So I'm not gonna lie, my final level is gonna be at 72, which we're probably gonna take it out soon. But if we do continue to create, because what we can do here is, keep in mind, if we don't catch shorts, we can always catch longs. Once we sweep all of the liquidity, right? Meaning, if we sweep liquidity and we get an MSS based off any of those levels, we can always inverse some sort of bearish value gap and catch longs into all-time highs again. Right, that is very possible. Right, so we just gotta play with what the market is doing currently. Right, so guys, don't worry if this never retraces into this fair value gap. We can always catch another trade. It's completely fine. Right, so don't worry, guys. Don't worry. Let me see here. Yeah, no, sellers look extremely strong here. So we pretty much know what the current trend is, right? I shouldn't have to explain myself. But we definitely know what the trend is in the market. The thing is now, is what setup do we really play off this? Because the market is holding below these levels of liquidity. So, of course, if we're holding below it, it's showing that sellers, of course, have more strength in the market. If sellers have more strength in the market, we definitely have more room to go lower. A 10-minute fair value gap, I do not trade off the 10-minute. And the 15-minute might be actually, the 15-minute is not all that bad. But I'm going to stick to the 5-minute. I like the 5-minute a lot more. So what we can do here is, okay, the only setup we really have to trade here is if the market can find some sort of bottom here, which is very possible as the market is sweeping liquidity at 686. The best thing we can do here is, once again, get a fair value gap retracement. We reject off any level here in the market, and we go right back down. Right? Because there's also more than one fair value gap. I'm not gonna lie, the only fair value gap that I'm really seeing in this entire market is this 5-minute fair value gap. I'm not really seeing anything. Maybe on the higher time frames or something. Nope. I mean, we do have one right here, but I mean that's pretty far. That's like what, like 60 points away. But yeah, no, the only fair value gap we ideally only have is on the 30-minute and on the 5-minute. So wait, when does the 30-minute close? Oh yeah, no, that's in forever. But yeah. Now I'm gonna try once again. I'm gonna try my best to give you guys a setup. All we need for the people on my YouTube and for the people on here, all we need here is a simple fair value gap retracement up here. Right. Once we get that, we can go ahead and enter our shorts. For now, at least, we're gonna be looking for shorts. And we go from there. Right. So that's the game plan right now. And honestly, all we need is a simple 30 to 40 point candle, and we can go from there. And keep in mind, guys, once again, I am going to be sizing light today. Main reason being, of course, there's news going on. So with whatever he says, if it goes against us, we won't lose as much. If it go, you know, God forbid it goes against us. Am I going to trade NQ or MNQ? I'm going to be trading micros. I'm going to be trading 10 micros today. You guys know my usual is about 15 micros, but today I'm going to be sizing around 10. He still is speaking though. Yeah, let me get this ready. Okay, so if we do end up taking NQ shorts, our price target would be at 20,680. Our second price target will be at 20,672. Wait, hold on. 680.50. My bad. 20,672.75. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all the stuff that I have here. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete this level of liquidity as we already took it out. It's not really important. I don't understand. Let me see. How do you get the line in the middle of the box? Just double click it, and then it'll be under style, middle line. You turn this on and off, whatever. Mario, I don't understand the terms and what you're saying. Okay, if you don't understand this, simply click on the YouTube channel. And I explain all the terms that I use in my trading, my entire strategy. It's all there. So if you want, you can always check them out. They're a little bit long, but they're all there, right? For you to understand. I don't really gatekeep my strategy at all from anyone, so it's literally all on my YouTube. But yeah, guys, right now, there's a bearish fair value gap on the 30-minute time frame. Not really. I mean, yeah, we have one here, but this candle has not closed, so we can easily fill this fair value gap and it won't be valid. So it's not a big deal here. But yeah, guys, it does seem like we are getting this retracement. So if sellers do end up stepping up in this bearish fair value gap, I will be entering shorts. That is the game plan right now. Now, the only thing that I am a little bit worried about is the market ended up sweeping this liquidity. Now, there is a chance that we can form an MSS model and inverse this bearish value gap and go a lot higher, right? So we are running a little bit of a risk here. Now, in the bigger time frame, we are bearish, right? So we just need to see what the market does inside of this fair value gap. If we reject, that's shorts. If we don't reject, we'll go longs based off the inverse, right? But for now, I would say I am bearish because main reason being we still have room to go lower, right? We have 20,672 to pretty much still take out. So that's pretty much what I'm watching right now. But we are getting this retracement back into this fair value gap. So let's see what we do from here, right? So wait, let me make sure that I say here. There you go. I made sure to say that I am sizing light on this one because you guys know, I don't want you guys to be oversizing. But yeah, guys, make sure you guys are for those on my YouTube and for those, how much does 10 micro contracts cost? They cost about $1,000. If you are trading on a live account. Now, for those in the Discord, right, and for those on the YouTube, please, I'm gonna tell you guys right now because I don't want to hear, if the trade does go against us, there's a slight chance because we are trading during news. There is a slight chance. So I want you guys to be sizing with something that you can afford to lose, right? You guys know you can pretty much calculate everything with the futures website. So make sure you guys are trading with something that you can afford to lose today, right? I'm gonna say it once again, size light, play with something that you're fine with losing and you won't really complain about if it goes against us, right? Because keep in mind, we are running the risk of Powell speaking. So whatever he says, there is that slight chance that it can go against us, right? So be careful. Be careful. Any Apex codes? Yeah, use this one. Blastoise. Will you post it in the commentary? Yeah, here. Actually, matter of fact, let me do it right now. If I have time. Hopefully I have time. Here, I'm going to post the commentary. It tapped into it. Yeah, we did tap into it. I'm looking for a midpoint rejection up here. That's the main thing. I don't really care if you reject from here. In my type of strategy, I always look for the midpoint rejection. That is always going to be my strategy. I do believe the market could see higher as drawn liquidity, as NQ has drawn liquidity for below. Oh wait, I think I said lower here. I think I read over that. Okay. There is a commentary. Sand. What will be my entry? My entry will be around the midpoint. If we okay, we can reject off anywhere. Of course, I don't want to enter down here because I do think we do have room to go higher. But my entry would ideally be around this midpoint. Now, I'm not gonna enter just because it hits the midpoint. I'm gonna enter when we hit the midpoint and we start rejecting back down. That is the game plan right now. What's a micro? A micro is 1/10 of a mini for futures. So if you guys are doing options, it will be puts simply, right? Let me make sure to post this right here. And buyers still look pretty strong here, so definitely be careful. When it rejects off the bearish rally gap, does it have to have a candle close above it, or is it just gonna? Honestly, you don't really need a candle close above or below if your rally gap to tell if it got rejected or not. Simply, all you want to look for is for price to tap into this midpoint. Once we tap into this midpoint, of course, if selling starts coming in right after rejection, then you can just go ahead and enter from there and set your stop loss at recent highs. That's the way I do it. I don't really wait for a candle close above or below because that'll take too long. That'll be the entire setup pretty much gone. Go big or go home, bro. I mean, that's all you, bro. You know what I mean? I'm at a point where if you guys want to oversize, go for it. I'm gonna be sizing light, so just know that. Just know that. I'm having today for my boy Pao, bro. You guys are something, man. But yeah, no. I'm pretty much just I do believe we can see a little bit higher, at least a bit like 10 points higher. That's all I asked for. All I ask for is just 10 points higher. Is he still talking? Yeah, he is. Okay. And I'm not gonna make the same mistake that we made on Tuesday, guys. I'm gonna be extreme, and I mean extremely patient when it comes to this fair value gap rejection. I'm gonna make sure that this thing rejects first before we dump down, or before we enter. My bad. Okay, so we're at a point where we can pretty much reject here in the market, and we can go ahead and enter shorts. So yeah, pretty much all we want to see here is a simple rejection right down. Hey, what's up, Albert? What's up? What's up? But yeah, guys, we're at a point here where we can definitely reject down, and you know we will get the fair value gap rejection. But yeah, it would look somewhat like this. I'm not saying I'm gonna enter here, but the game plan would look something like this, right? Of course, 9 points is way too tight. I'm not gonna take this yet. But if the candle or if the market ends up showing shorts, I will pretty much enter somewhat around here. And then of course I will have my stop loss set at this high up here. So that's the game plan right now. But of course, buyers still look a little bit like they have a bit of control here. Keep in mind, we got the MSS model, so there is that slight chance where the market could reverse here and go. It could keep going higher from the rejection or from the sell-off. So be very, very careful. I'm gonna be very careful and very patient here, right? I'm gonna make sure that this candle is a strong selling candle. Once we get that selling candle, I'm gonna go ahead and base my entry from there, right? But I still do believe that we have some room to go higher, so I'll be very, very careful. Especially with this, the market is slowing down each and every single candle, so or each candle, you know that's opening up. So we run the risk of getting chopped out, right? Keep in mind, guys. One more time for the I saw some people join the premium live trading. So for those that just joined, if you guys are gonna trade this with us, The only thing I ask of you is size with what you can afford to lose today and tomorrow. That's all it is. Today and tomorrow. That's all. Right? Main reason being, you guys know Powell is speaking. Whatever he says, whatever words comes out of that man's mouth, uh, will pretty much it will affect the market. Right? So if we're in a bearish setup and he says something out of nowhere that's bullish, the market will go up despite the setup. Right? So if that ends up happening and we get stopped out, which we really hope to not happen, just be prepared. You know what I mean? Today is one of those days to not really mess around with your sizing. Definitely size light, and go from there. Right? So I'm gonna be sizing light. I'm gonna be sizing about 10 micros. So yeah. For how long will he talk? I'm not sure. That I can't really tell you because I wouldn't know. All right, so there's the buying coming in. All right, so there's the midpoint, right? So what we want to see here ideally is going to be a rejection in the market, right? If we get some sort of rejection here, that will be the cue to enter shorts, right? But keep in mind, guys, the market trend is a little bit bullish right now, so definitely be careful entering shorts. I'm not going to enter till we get that selling to come in. If the selling never comes in, then oh well, we move on to the next setup, right? But yeah, definitely be very careful here. Let me see. The VWAP, I don't trade based off the VWAP. I don't trade based off any indicator. That's not my style at all. But yeah, if we can get some sort of rejection here, that'll be beautiful. They talking about gas prices, bro. They're gonna keep talking, bro. That's the problem. If they keep talking, the market will keep doing these unpredictable moves, which is gonna be super super risky. So we just need to be patient here. If we end up inversing this bearish value gap, I'm not gonna play the inverse fair value gap. Main reason being is I don't know. It's the fair value gap. There's too much going on inside of this fair value gap, so I won't really. Let me see. Are you saying buyers are taking control because of the green candles, or do you have an indicator like order flow? No. The only reason I'm saying that buyers are taking control is obviously you guys see that there's a ton of buying candles right here, but the most important part is the market ended up sweeping liquidity down here, right? You guys can see we swept liquidity and we end up getting an MSS, meaning the market went from being extremely bearish on the smaller time frame to being extremely bullish on the smaller time frame, right? So of course, if we look extremely bullish and we're buyers are taking control, or buying NQ up in this bearish value gap, of course they're gonna have control, right? Sure, we can reject off anywhere, but for now, I'm gonna stick to saying that buyers have some sort of control, unless we reject like this, for example, right? Now, if we can hold this selling right here, I'm gonna consider entering shorts. That's only if we hold the selling. So keep that in mind, guys. Yeah, look at that. We sell off, we fake everyone else to enter shorts, and we pump right back up. It makes no sense. Same thing going on gold. Yeah, I'm pretty sure same thing. The market's gonna move the same exact way with everything. Because just Powell is speaking about everything. But yeah, guys, that was the biggest fake out I've ever seen. For those that entered shorts, I'm sure it's none of you guys in here, but for those that did enter somewhere in the market, they got fucked. In this case right here. Dude, I almost, bro, Buddha. To me, bro, it kind of looks like you're chasing just because the market goes down. So be careful, bro. Be careful. Tempting, definitely is. But you gotta be extra patient in this market. That's why we ended up getting stopped out on Tuesday and ruining our, I think it was the 2 week winning streak. It ruined it because we got impatient. I do think we can sell off here, but we just need to be a little bit patient here and wait for that sell off. Did you make a trade? No, I'm not in anything yet. We do have a setup here, but I am not in a trade yet. I'm waiting for the confirmation to line up here to enter the shorts. But I am liking how sellers are stepping in here. I just want to see them hold this up for. I just want to see if buyers keep trying to buy this up, or if sellers take complete control and we dump this down. Because keep in mind, we are selling off, but we keep getting bought up in the meantime. 5 point stop loss is too tight, way too tight, bro. One little move and you're out. You know what I mean? But yeah, I do like the way this is holding down like a lot. But it's just buyers keep stepping up. Like if we get the set off, then that's gonna be our cue to enter. But if we keep dumping down here, then what's the point? Hey, Blasters, will Apex allow trimming contracts? Yeah, they do. They do. I trim contracts all the time. Yeah, they do allow it. They do allow it. Okay, this selling is coming in really nice. I kind of want to enter around here. All right, guys. I went ahead here. Let me go. I'm in shorts, guys. Bro, oh my. Bro, did you guys catch that? I don't even think I had time to alert that. What the fuck? I don't even think I had time to even say the words out of my mouth. But yeah, guys, I entered shorts. I got filled at 720 here. Did you guys get filled on that by any chance? I just got that. Where's your stop loss gonna be? It's gonna be at 742. So I'm gonna have about a 20-point stop loss. Did you guys get filled on that by any chance? Filled at 716. Okay, not a horrible fill. I got filled at 720. My stop loss is gonna be placed at 742. But that dump was. I'm not gonna lie. The millisecond I said I'm in shorts, even before I said it, it just dumped. Right? It took the words out of my mouth. I filled in, got filled at 716. Out for 234 on gold, 713. Okay, that's not bad. That's not horrible. Keep in mind, guys, I am in very light. I didn't even get a trim here, even though we did end up selling off. So yeah, I'm gonna be looking to set my stop loss up here at 742. That's gonna be my stop loss. Do I still go in? You could. We're just barely above my entry point. So yeah. I think he ended up saying something. So be very careful here. And guys, once again, make sure you guys trade with a very light size. Very, very light size, because look what the market is doing. I'm pretty sure he said something that the market liked and then didn't like or whatever. So be very careful here. Yeah, this buying candle looks a little bit dangerous. Did I short it? Yeah, I am. I am in shorts here. Bro, that trade saw 15 points green. I didn't even trim off that. It was way too fast for that. I was not able to catch it. But yeah, my stop loss is gonna be placed right here. So there's gonna be. So there it is. Okay. See, I got in and out in like 3 seconds. Yeah, no, if I was a lot faster, I think I ended up seeing like 300 profit there, like really fast. But I didn't even have time to say the words out of my mouth to 107 profit. That's what's up. I didn't even have the time to say I'm in shorts. I think it just ended up dumping. So of course, if I didn't have time to say I was in shorts, I of course didn't have time to trim, right? But yeah, no, that thing saw 15 points green. But I'm still in the trade full size. Happened, bro. That thing happened in not even 2 seconds. It happened in like a second. But yeah, no, I'm still in the trade. Don't worry, guys. I still do think we can go a lot lower. There it is. Look at this rejection, right? So if we do end up breaking this low right here, I am gonna end up trimming here. So if we break 708, that's gonna be my trimming point. But yeah, Gus, I think you're oversizing a little bit. Cause keep in mind, I'm not even in that heavy size. Hey, what's up, Dawson? What's going on? But yeah, let's see. Because Powell is still talking. Hopefully, he says something bearish. Because the market is all over the place right now. But yeah, let's see. Stop loss was the green. No, my stop loss is up here. My stop loss is placed up here. Stop loss safe for me. What was your stop loss? The hell? You had a very tight stop loss there. No, I'm seeing the button. I think it's gonna be. Yeah, I think it's gonna be the green one. Yeah, I believe so. Yeah. Yeah, Buddha. I don't know what. how tight you had your stop loss there. Am I in shorts? Yeah, bro. I just realized maybe it's just me, but you're showing like up for like 5 minutes behind. Yeah, yeah. I have this. I have the YouTube stream 2 minutes delayed. The reason being is because since the YouTube stream is free for everyone, it's just so you guys can see what we do in the premium. Was too tight? Was tight too quick for me? It's all good, bro. It's all good. Yeah, with everything lining up, this setup should play out pretty good. We just need to be patient and just see what Powell says. Keep in mind the main reason I am in very light shorts. Keep in mind I told you guys a million times to size with what you can afford to lose is because if Powell says one thing, you know, that's bullish, the market will pump and stop us out, right? So we are running that risk in the market, right? So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. But yeah, let's see if we can get this sell off here. Like I said, everything is lining up for us to sell off, so it's just a matter of if we do sell off. Right? It's over when he says something funny. Yeah, that's the one risk that we're running here, right? So that's why I am in extremely light, and I really hope you guys are in too. All right, there it is. If we can get some sort of like a 10-point dump, honestly, I'll take it. This trade right now is up about 10 points. There it is. Okay, guys. So if you guys want to play safe here and trim, honestly, this is your time to trim, right? I'm gonna go ahead and trim some here, at least something light. I want to take something out of the table. I want to take definitely something light out of the table. Right now is literally the time to trim. Right now, guys. Right now is the time to trim. Wait, did I mess this up right here? No, okay. Yeah, guys, make sure you guys trim. Trim here. Trim here. I'm going to say a million times, trim, trim, trim. Do not be greedy here. Especially with Powell speaking. It is not, oh my God, let's go. Let's go. We're up 20 points here. I'm going to go ahead and trim some off here. All right, I trimmed at 700. Let's fucking go. If you guys want to take full profit or just trim some out, it's just not worth holding completely. In my opinion. And look at that. We got the perfect trim like at the complete bottom. There it is. 20 points here on NQ. Feel free to trim most here and set your stop loss to break even to make this trade risk free. All right, did my peeps in the YouTube, did you guys catch that? That was a good entry. Oh, okay. Did you guys catch that in the YouTube? Let me know if you guys got that entry. But everything ended up playing out. We got the rejection off the midpoint. We ended up getting the selling to come in. We got not the best entry, but we definitely got the trim off. So, you know, the trade is definitely green. Let me see the chat real quick. Yeah, Buddha, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm not sure why you sold there. You kind of freaked out, I would say, but I'm not sure why you sold. I don't know where you had your stop loss, but you know what I mean? Dude, I had the worst entry possible, and I pulled out. I really hope you pulled out in the green. 90 bucks. Nice trade. Let's go. No way I bought more. Bro, do not chase, bro. Do not chase. I'm done here. Out for 500. I took out for 100 on the day. Move stop. Yeah, move your stop loss. Trimmed half of my position at the low. Yeah, me too. I'm in extremely. I don't even care if this gets stopped out. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I do not care. Little rough, but $100 on 4 accounts. We'll take it. That's $400 profit. Stop loss. Let me see. You still win, David? Yeah, I'm in extremely light. Extremely light, guys. I took most profit at this low down here, at 700. But yeah, if we do see lower, I mean, shit, I'll take it. 656 profit. I pulled out, but I made $100. I'll take it. Honestly, in today's market, bro, I'll take it. Shit. Pulled out $300 in the green. On live 74. Hey, bro, we'll take it. We'll take it. But yeah, I am break even, bro. I am not gonna be trading this shit. Respectfully, guys, I am not trading Powell speaking. I didn't even want to trade today, and I'm out of the trade. I'm out of the trade, guys. I just got out. Because I put buy more instead of sell, bro. Come on, don't tell me you got messed up with that. Made $1,500. I mean $1,200 on the eval. That's what's up. What's life for me? 10 micros. 10 micros. Now, for those in my YouTube, did you guys watch us catch it? And did you guys catch it? I told you guys the entire game plan. 675 profits. Thanks, David. I got you guys. I got you. Wait. Let me see something real quick. Guys, in the premium chat, let me know if you guys caught this. React green if you guys ended up catching that. I want to see how many of you guys caught it. I'm pretty sure it should be all of you guys. You're the best. No, yes. I'm not gonna lie, my YouTube is a little bit delayed, so just because I'm doing it for free, I just want to show you guys what we do in the premium. You know what I mean? So it's just fair for both worlds. Bro, I got top ticked. Oh my god, no. My runners got top ticked. Honestly, my runners weren't even gonna make me that much. They were probably gonna make me like 50 bucks extra. So I'm not too worried. But damn, those got top ticked. Let me see. I caught it for 480 too quick. Honestly, bro, 480, that's something. You know what I mean? I caught it 1K, caught it. That's what's up, guys. That's what's up. So even the YouTube with 2 minutes delay, I'm not gonna lie, you guys are making money. I'm not sure how you guys got the same entry, but you guys got it. So we'll take it. 58 profits at least. Hey, bro, that's what's up. Dilson, next time, bro, please just make sure that you do not buy more when you're trying to trim. 510 profits. Damn. Okay. So I'm seeing a lot of you guys make money today. That's what's up. That's what's up. At least we caught a winning trade here. Of course, I wouldn't trade it if my trading. Of course, I couldn't trade it. My trading view was tweaking. It's all good, bro. It happens. We'll be back tomorrow. You know what I mean? Now, 250 profit, 215. That's what's up. That's what's up. Please find another setup after a while. Van. Okay, I'm gonna tell you guys this right now. Right now. Today, I'm not gonna lie. I wasn't even trying to trade. Of course, if we found something, we were gonna take it. Now, like I said, yesterday's market was choppy. Today's market is gonna be choppy throughout the entire day. And tomorrow's market will most likely be choppy. It's how the market's going to move, realistically, right? Cosmo 1,100. Guys, in my YouTube chat, okay, real quick. Another day tomorrow. Exactly. Guys, in my YouTube chat, right? Here, let me go ahead and show you guys all the profits, right? So here, let me go ahead and screenshot my entire screen. Okay, there you go. Guys, look at this. Look at this, because for those that are in my YouTube, I am live trading to my entire community. We had more people. We had like 70 people in here, but you know, people make money and they leave, so you know, it might seem like, you know, tomorrow will be better. Honestly, tomorrow might be the same way as today, because tomorrow we have the same news, right? Keep in mind, we have Tuesday we have Powell speaking. Wednesday we have the same thing, right? Now, for those in my YouTube, let me show you guys right here. Right, so let me show you guys all the wins, because you know, so you guys can see everything. So we ended up catching this completely live, as you guys can see right here. I ended up alerting NQ shorts at 20,720. These were my price targets, and this is how the chart looked. Long story short, we ended up catching that entire move to the downside, and we made money. Now, if you guys want to see the profits, and you guys want to make, you know, to see all of this, you guys can see all the profits here, right? You guys can see 143, 74, 6, you know, all that stuff. Right, so you guys can see literally everything here, right? All the wins, the community is winning. So for those on my YouTube, if you guys do want to catch these trades completely live, exactly when I say it and all that stuff, click the link in the description to join the premium. That's a quick plug. But I am seeing that a lot of you guys in the YouTube also caught this complete move. So good stuff, guys. We all made money together as a community, so that's what's up. Right, but if you guys do want to join the premium or want to join the free Discord in general, just click the link in the description and it will all be there. Right, but that was a pretty good trade today, I can't lie. It was an okay trade, I'm not gonna lie. It was an okay trade. Let me see, I caught it for $60. That's what's up. Caught it based on your commentary, not watching it live. Yeah, don't worry. At least for those in my YouTube, if you guys want to ever trade up based off my commentary and learn from the commentary, you guys can always base your trades from there. Right? It's 100% fine. Now let me go ahead and see here. Hopefully I don't put end stream. But bro, are you guys signal bots? Like I'm seeing a lot of you guys like we won and everyone now is leaving the call, bro. some shit's going crazy right now. Are you guys still in? I'm literally still in. A22. Do not get greedy. I know you are green about 10 or so points. Do not get greedy and make sure you trim your contracts. Make sure you guys trim. What does resetting a funded account do? All it does is if you blew the account, you're just gonna reset it back to zero and then you just start all over again. Look at this, guys. Look at this sell off right here. Look at this, guys. If you guys, for the people on my YouTube, I know you guys are seeing this a little bit late. For those in the premium, guys, trim here. Trim here if you guys have not already. Trim here. You think this hits your TP? Honestly, it could. It really could. Damn, even my YouTube, you guys are signal bots, bro. My YouTube went. You guys, there was like 40 people in there, and there was almost no one there. Right? You guys take the trade and you guys leave. Damn. Okay. You guys show no love. I'm out. $500. We'll take it. Signal bots is crazy, bro. I mean, we caught the trade and everyone leaves. Like, I mean, if that's what you guys want to do, there's nothing wrong with it. I don't blame you guys. Hold on, let me see. Hold up. Fuck. No. Wait, do I have a clipboard? No. Clipboard. Oh yeah, I'm screen sharing my. No. I had some pictures that I wanted to send that and I actually. Damn. Hold on. For those in the YouTube, one more time, if you guys do want to take this, live with me and my entire community, join the link in the description. It'll be there. But wait, let me check my clipboard. No, I had something copied and I completely forgot about it. Clipboard. How do you check your clipboard? What's the command for it? Clipboard settings. No, it was off. Damn. Alright, it's alright. It's whatever. It's whatever. But yeah, here, let me go ahead and put this out in the other thing. With you in the middle. Let me see real quick. Is everyone out of the trade? Are you guys out completely? Hold on, because I'm typing something up. How far did this trade go? Damn, 30 points. Okay. Bet. Yeah, no, this trade hit 30 points. Oh shit. Let me go ahead and send that over. There we go. Okay, bet. I finally sent that earlier. I don't know why it took so long to type out. Hold up. Bro, how am I minus? Bro, did you take... Wait, what trade did you take? The hell? Can I get premium for free? Nah, bro, cause you know if I give out for free, you already know how that's gonna be. Everyone's gonna be like, yo, let me get some for free. Oh shit. So better safe than sorry. What's it called? How did I lose from this trade? Honestly, bro, you tell me. Did you end up going long or something? Let me get a discount. I'm trying to pay for tomorrow. Okay, guys. For those in the YouTube, there's not many people in the YouTube anymore. But if you guys do want to join the premium, and for those in the Discord that are about to renew, guys, use code. Hold on, and send. I got you in a second. Use code. Let me get the link here. 1 second. And guys, we are dumping here. We are dumping. So if you guys are still in that trade, make sure you guys trim. There it is. Okay, so for those that kind of wanna renew, use code trial in the premium, and it'll work out. And the same goes for the people on the YouTube. Hold on. Guys, oh my, look at that dump. Damn, 40 points right there, guys. I don't know if you guys are still holding, which I kind of doubt a little bit. Bro. Okay. Wait, Sam, 1 second. Let me go. I'll help you out in a second. Let me go ahead and put this out here. Was that a 40-point move right there? TP 1 for those that are still in. No, 35 points. For those that are still in, I don't know if you guys want to hold till TP1. Honestly, it's not a big deal. I'm fully out of the trade, so I'm just gonna commentate behind it. But yeah. Can't see what that says. Let's copy this just in case. Hold up. Okay, Sam, you went red somehow. Let me see what you did. Let me look at your orders. So, are you sure you did not go red because you took another trade on gold? That's probably the case. That's probably the case. Out for 150. That's what's up, John. That is what is up, bro. Let's go. That's what's up. Yeah, no, this trade ended up hitting around 37 or 40 points. So if you guys do want to take complete profits, I'm completely out of the trade. If you guys want to take complete profits, feel free to get out of the trade and call it a day, guys. Do not trade anymore today. You guys already know it's going to be chopping like crazy. Do not get caught up. You guys know how I am with the chop and all that stuff. Do not get caught up in the trade. Now, for my premium, Sam, are you sure you didn't go red because you took a gold trade? Because this short trade never really went red. So I don't know where you kind of, you know, I don't know. Either you bought instead of shorted, you know, you bought longs instead of buying shorts, or you just went red on the gold trade. Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. Thanks, Blast. I got you guys. I got you. And keep in mind, guys, today was not the prettiest day. I kind of told you guys. Should I just left the stop? Do you always go break even on stop? Yeah, always. I don't care if I got stopped out. I already told you guys. I already told you. I don't really care. But you know, literally everyone, even my YouTube chat, made money. So I don't know how some of you guys are going red. Sam, once again, let me know now. Let me know if you went red on the gold trade, because that's probably what happened, right? The gold trade overdid the NQ trade, and you ended up going red. Yo, Blast, send the referral code for Apex. Got you. It'll be right here. Bro, I'm starving. I'm about to go eat. About to buy it too before this. When does the sale end? Oh shit, it ends in 12 hours. Damn. Alright. Alright, I'm done with PAL. Fuck that. How do you trim? I don't be trimming. This is helpful. Okay, guys, for those in my YouTube and for those in the premium, how do you trim? Simply what trimming is let's say you guys buy 10 micros, for example, right? Let me see. Wait, so how do I cancel my membership and use the code for Discord? Okay, go over to WAP, click on membership, and just cancel it. And then if you want, just buy it again with the code. Guys. So simply what trimming means is you guys are selling some instead of selling all of your contracts. So if you buy 10 contracts, for example, you guys buy 10 contracts, right? And you guys want to sell half of those contracts. So let's say you're up $500 in the position and you want to be guaranteed up to 50. What you're going to do is you're going to sell half of those contracts, meaning you're going to sell 5 of those contracts, right? Instead of you selling 10 to take complete profit, you're going to be selling 5 to take some profit. I guarantee there'll be another Apex, bro. There's going to be an Apex discount in 12 hours from now, bro. Trust me. It's pretty obvious on what they do. But yeah, that's what trimming means. Barcode, what trimming means is simply just selling less than what you have. It's that simple. Hopefully it's 90% off. I doubt it. I honestly, I don't know. I can't really predict it. All right, have a good day. Oh yeah, Buddha. Let me see, bro. Wait, Buddha. Before you go. Where did you place your stop loss? I need to know where you place your stop loss because this trade did not signal. It did not scream out to get out of the trade. I'm going crazy if they do. Yeah, no, I'm gonna be stacking up some more accounts. No, I know what it means. How do you do it? Oh, I mean, okay, you know at the top how you buy or sell 10 or 15 or 20 micros. Instead of how you buy it or sell it to get in the trade. Let me see. Hold up. To get in and out of the trade, simply when you want to get out of the trade, instead of clicking whatever contracts you have and then selling market or buy market, you're just gonna switch that 10 to like a 5 or something, just depending on how much you want to trim. To buy it or to sell it, it doesn't matter. So okay, for example, let's say you guys went ahead and entered NQ shorts, right? In this case, we entered NQ shorts, right? So you're gonna click sell market, right? Let's say you entered 10, you have the number at the top set to 10, and you click sell market, right? What's gonna happen is, of course, you're gonna enter 10 short positions, right? So as it's going down and you want to guarantee profits, instead of clicking buy 10 market to get out of the trade, you're gonna be clicking buy, for example, 5 market, meaning it's gonna sell 5, but you're gonna be holding 5. Right, so you're going to be guaranteeing that those 5 micros profit, but if it keeps going down, you're going to be making that extra 5 micro profit. You know what I mean? Yeah. Okay, let me see. Okay, so you entered at 20,072. Bro, you got a better entry than us. How did you get stopped out so early? What? Sold at 20,000. Bro, we all got filled at around 20,720 to 20,715. So you got a better fill than us, and you got stopped at 20,732. That's not even a level. That's a random level right here. Yeah, there's no level here. Did you just have a 10-point stop loss, like in general? Just a 10-point stop? Todd Scott, thanks, bro. Hey, Todd, bro, I got you, my man. I got you. And once again, guys, for those in the YouTube, I know there's not much of you guys in there, but if you guys do want to join the premium and get these live trades and alerts live, go ahead and use that discount code that I put in the chat, and it will apply it. Never mind. Bro, you had a 3-point stop loss. Bro, come on, bro. Oh wait, bro, 10 points is way too little in the first place. 3 points is way too tight. The millisecond you enter, you're gonna get stopped out. That's pretty much what's gonna happen. I don't know how you got stopped out of that. The thing is, we set our stop loss where the market rejected from, which made the most sense. It was at 742, right? And I told you guys, if you guys can't afford that loss, just size light. I size light. Everyone in here size light. I'm not sure why you had a 3-point stop loss. That is 1 micro, bro. What? That's even. I'm kind of confused on what you did there. Of course, we have room for improvement, so we're gonna review that, right? But first of all, 1 micro, a 20-point stop loss will not make a dent in that Apex account. It's just, dude, I can't lose more and more. The thing is, the trade never lost. The trade went against us. Hey, sir, can I get the premium? Bro, triple. What's up, bro? Or water. What's up? Wait, was it triple? No, triple. That's what's up. Triple. My bad. What's up, bro? I'll try to see with Apex. The thing is, you can't say that you're not trying to lose more and more when the trade never really lost. The trade went our way. You know what I mean? So yeah, it's a bit confusing. I'm not sure why you had a 3-point stop loss. It's way too tight. Honestly, the second you enter is the second that you're going to get stopped out with a 3-point stop loss. So yeah, you even had 1 micro. 1 micro wasn't going to do anything, realistically. But yeah, no, the trade never lost. It never hit our stop loss. Hey, what's up, Joshua? What's going on? But yeah, Buddha. Okay. And for those in my YouTube and for those in the premium, you guys know I'm going to be doing a class later today. Every single day we're going to be doing a class so I can teach you guys everything I know about trading. So yeah, Buddha, we're definitely going to review what you did wrong, in the class. And help you out with, maybe it might be your sizing, you might be too emotional in your trades. It's just completely common mistakes. It happens. What time for the class today? 4 p.m. Eastern time. That's when I always do it. 4 p.m. But yeah, for those in my YouTube live class at 4 p.m., this is my account for 1 micro. Oh, bro, you're not even that down. Okay. The one thing I can tell you is you probably just didn't have enough conviction in your trade to, like enough confidence to pretty much mess you up a little bit, right? Only losing, not sure. Okay, the only reason, okay, a good aspect or a good reason on why you're losing is because your stop loss is too tight. You don't have enough confidence in your trade to the point where you have a very tight stop loss, and of course it's going to go against you. You're not giving the trade enough room to breathe, right? In our case, yeah, we entered down here and the trade went against us for about 10 points, but that's fine. Our stop loss never got hit. There's no reason to freak out. Did you see me freaking out? No, I'm like, okay guys, well, I do think that we can go lower. If we get stopped out, oh well, but I do think we can go lower, right? I was calm. I knew what the trade was going to do, right? And I gave it to you guys, right? But the main reason why you're losing so much is because you have such a tight stop loss, right? You're not giving the trade enough room to breathe, nor enough time to do its own thing, right? So definitely that is the issue right there. I already know what you're doing wrong. Yeah, that's maybe where I should have an Apex account so I have more room to lose money. The thing is, you're not losing money. You're just giving the trade more room to breathe, right? If you're trading with 1 micro and you have a 20-point stop loss, you're risking to lose like 50 bucks, right? Which is really good. Does anyone in the chat know why TradeAway says data is delayed? The reason, okay, Bronson, I think that's your name. My bad if I pronounce it wrong. The reason it says it's delayed is, let me know if you're trading with an Apex account. If you're trading with an Apex account, it's probably a glitch. But if you're trading with a real account, you have to buy live data. Yeah, but losing $50 each day, that's my problem. The reason you're doing that is either you're not taking good trades at all, which could be the problem, it happens, or, just your stop loss is just is not placed in the correct levels, right? So today, Buddha, I want to see you in today's class. I'm going to review everything with you completely from A to Z. I'll show you how to set the correct stop losses, how to fix emotions, because of course you're trading with real money, so your emotions are going to be through the roof. It happens. Especially when you're starting off. So yeah, I want to see you in today's class, bro. I'm going to help you from A to Z. I got you. I already know what your problem is and all that stuff. What's up, Splat? What's up? Can you break down the trade again, please? Hey, Moses, I'm going to do it in the live class at 4 p.m. Eastern time. So I'm going to do another stream later today. And I'll do it there. But yeah, guys, we ended up catching a 40-point trade on live, both on YouTube and Discord. So, you know what I mean? That's a good trade for us. Yo, you guys banked today? Yes, sir. But alright, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a stream. I'm gonna go eat. I'm gonna play a little bit of Fort here and there. And then I'll catch you guys in the live trading. What's it called? Not the live class later today. Alright, guys. I'll catch you guys. Did you split the Red Sea, bro? But yeah, Moses. I don't know how to pronounce your name. I'll do the class later today. Alright. What time is the course? At 4 p.m. Eastern time. I will alert it in the Discord. And for those in the YouTube, click the link in the description. My free Discord is in there, right? But alright, guys, I'll see you guys then. Alright, guys, take it easy, guys. Take it easy. Peace out, guys. Have a good one. Peace.